One world, one ride.
Okay, hi. So, what do we have here? I want to show you something. It's a really interesting piece of art. I'm not going to do the unboxing. It is more of an unveiling because my friend of mine, he had got it from US. And I'm going to show you this. What is this? This is clear water lights. What does it do? It is gonna fit my BMW. I'm just preparing for the world, right? And this is one of the essential things which you need to have. Why clear water? Because I came to know about clear water through Freddy, and Freddy he has it on his bike. It's quite a powerful light, and this model is called Savina. It has got 7,000 luminous, but I'm quite excited about this, and it's gonna get fitted tomorrow. Guy from BMW is gonna come here and fit this, and then we can compare why these lights. So okay, this is Anand. Anand is from BMW.
Hi.
And he has come to fix my lights. The lights they good are. So he's opening it up. ये पूरा दिन जाएगा ना? पूरा दिन लगेगा इसको, पूरा दिन लगेगा. होता है. Right. So now we need to clamp it. We need to clamp it here. Here. We need to clamp it here. Look at that. Look at the power of these lights. They're superb. Okay, so the wiring is almost done. So as you can, I'll show you. As you can see, this is the can opener. What does it do? It is gonna help you control the brightness through this switch, this toggle bar here. And as all the wiring has been done properly, all we have to do is put on the covers. Wow. See that? The brightness. That's the best part. If you brightness, come karo. Okay, fantastic. Again, so press this, it turns on. Press this once and hold it like this. So it's gonna give you the two blinks, and then you can brighten it or lighten it accordingly. Okay? And then you want to turn it off. It's gonna blink, and then you want to switch it off. Okay. Now, if you're off, it's gonna turn off. give a flasher kind of a thing. So okay guys, finally the lights are fixed. He fixed it for me, Anand, here again. बहुत मेहनत किया. So now need to test this baby tonight. Okay guys, this is Vikram Singh, Cappy.
Hi, hello everyone.
He's a pilot in Air India.
Yes.
Huh? And he's the guy who gets me all my stuff.
No, please don't say this the next time.
Anyways, so he has put some fantastic lights similar to mine. I'll show it to you. Cappy, please elaborate.
Yeah, so I've got the same clear water lights as Debu has, but I've got the hybrid kit.
Yeah.
The hybrid kit basically means one is Sabina, which is on the right side.
Hold
One
on. Ready. Oh, that's Savina.
Yeah. And this
Yeah.
is Erica. So basically, as you can see, it's a bit smaller in size.
Yeah, smaller in size.
And then I got these two, the Dalas at the fork.
Yeah.
So that's this whole kit is called the hybrid kit.
So
The speciality about this kit is that the Sabina is a spotlight, which throws the light far. So when you riding on the right hand side, you can see the traffic from far. And the Erica is a flood, so you can see the left hand side of the footpath or the road edge if anything is coming up or not. And the Dalas obviously at the fork just illuminates the immediate road which is there below.
so I have put these two. चलता है ना?
Yeah, absolutely.
और ये मैं नीचे के लिए रखा है.
The aux lights.
Fox lights.
The aux lights are useless now because these lights are so powerful.
Too powerful, yeah.
You really don't see any difference with or without it.
ये जरा ऑन करना. Just
So the Dalas always remain on.
कहाँ तेरा डालना नहीं चालू है?
Just switch on the after start the lights.
Wow, check it out. So this. Wow.
Also when you press the on.
हमारे भी मारो. So this doesn't come on or what? Fog.
Yeah, I can't.
बना दे Christmas tree. On the auxiliary is also on. Fantastic, man. Okay, so I'm riding after a very long time. Wow, nice lights. Okay, I also got LED lights. Oh, wow. Wow. See this? See this. Whoa. One hell of a. So it's wow. Look at this. Look at this. It's like, somebody will imagine what it can do in the dark. Okay, this is a bit darker. Let's see. Wow! Look at this. So this is without lights, and this is with the. Look at this. So bright. It's like. Fuck! Look at this. It's like the best thing. Okay, these are without lights, and here you are. The whole goddamn light street has been lit. Wow. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, see this? Okay, clear water on. Look at the difference. Wow, just look at the difference. Okay, just check this out. You can see everything. So bright. This is talk without clear water. Okay, now this is with clear water, and check this out. This is the highest. It's in full mode. It's on a high beam. So the difference. High beam. We mellowed it down, and you have turned it off. There's a vast difference. This is the stock. Now you can see the stock. Again, I'm going to show it to you. Stock, Clearwater on, and you are on a full range. Now this is the full range, high beam. Cut it down, switch it off. I'm going to take it in my garage. The best part is when you honk, it's going to give a bleep bleep. It's gonna blink. So when in daytime also, when you are riding, it attracts attention for riders or for any drivers who are gonna cross the lane or something of that kind. It's gonna attract attention. So this is the reason. Wow, quite bright. Okay guys, so I am with Freddy.
Hi.
Say Freddy, hi.
Hi.
And Freddy is gonna show his Clearwater lights, which he has put in on his Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson is covered. Like I must cover karke rakha hai. So let's see. That's the light rod.
6 years.
And that's Clearwater Krista. He's got that yellow lenses on, foglets on. And you have this regulator here to control the brightness, which I have it in on my BMW, the jog dial. And this is on off switch, right?
Yeah.
And that's the regulator again. So Freddy, as far as Clearwater concerned, I came to know about the Clearwater through you.
Yeah.
So what is your take on the Clearwater?
I bought it in 2012 and I have been happy ever since. It's probably the only non-Harley accessory that I have on my bike, and one of the best things that I have actually put in terms of an accessory on the bike. They are extremely good. I've had none.
No complaints whatsoever. It's still working fine. And it's a good product to buy.
Perfectly good. And the power draw on the product is also very less compared to other.
How much did you pay for it?
I think about 39,000-40,000 in 2012.
Indian rupees.
Indian
So in
rupees.
dollars, I think it's $200, right?
I'm not sure what I paid, but that time it was this much, about 39 to 40,000 bucks.
Yeah, that's
with the
true.
clamps.
With the clamps. And the best part about the Clearwaters are, it's bike specific, right? I understand. It's like if you give the model number or
I
the
think
brand number, they're gonna.
The clamps are specific. They have clamps for BMWs, KTM specially made for that.
And Harleys also.
Harley is basically round clamps are there with different measurements.
And you want a chrome finish or non-chrome
that
finish,
I
that is
think
also
is
there. Okay. So that's a take from Freddy, and I got to know about Clearwater through Freddy.
I think I was probably the one of the first ones to order it through them directly into India.
Okay, alright. Okay, so Freddy, yeah. Okay, guys. So I've shown you the Savinas, the Darlas, the Kristas, and the Erica. Right. So there are 4 models I've shown you on this video. I hope you like it. Now next video I'm gonna show you how I prepared my motorcycle for this big ride, or how you should prepare your motorcycle for any big journey you're gonna take. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and God bless, stay blessed, and enjoy and stay tuned. And yeah, do follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Instagram इतना समझ में नहीं आ रहा, but I'm trying to do whatever I can It's quite complicated for me. But do follow me on Insta, do follow me on Facebook, and do like this video. Alright? Okay, bye bye. And stay blessed.
One world, one ride.
The bike is looking like a Christmas tree, man.
No, you need all that. Telling you, this is the best 1 lakh investment on this 35 lakh bike. You know, lights saved with life, you know.
Yeah.